Alright guys, I'm gonna watch this video. This is Bambu's new 3D printer. It's called the H2, I believe it's called. Wow. No way, for real? Wow. I have to get into bike riding now. Damn, I need a build plate like that. Holy crap. Over 300? Hmm. I've always wanted to make my own shoes. Damn, that's awesome. Hmm. Ladies and gentlemen, I now know what I'm gonna spend my money this Black Friday. If they put a sale on out on these. Damn, 300. What is the size of this? 300 or what? H2D? And it's expensive. Look at this, $2,200 from $18.99. Buy now. I guess this one without the AMS, it's $1,900, and then with the AMS, looking at $2,200, and then the one with the laser full combo is $2,800. It's crazy. I'm looking at my printers like, adios, but I don't have that money, so you're here to stay a little bit longer. So how many of you guys think this is a really cool 3D printer? And it's been long waited for a printer like this. I don't even know when this was released. I'm probably pretty late to this. Avail They misspelled available down here. Available on April 8th. It's not even available yet. What? Damn, everybody's probably like going crazy right now on all the Facebook groups and whatnot. Definitely got to get this printer. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Jaws out.